In this lesson, we're going to learn about Blu-ray discs. Blu-ray was originally developed for high-definition video and expanded content on movie discs. However, it can also be used for data storage on a PC system. Blu-ray is intended to eventually replace DVDs. A Blu-ray disc is 120 millimeters in diameter and 1.2 millimeters thick, the same size as DVDs and CDs. A single-layer Blu-ray disc can hold up to 25 gigabytes of information. A dual-layer Blu-ray disc can hold up to 50 gigabytes of information. Triple-layer discs that hold 100 gigabytes and quadruple layers that hold 128 gigabytes are also available. The read-only format for Blu-ray is called a BD-ROM. The recordable format for Blu-ray is BDR. BDRs can be written to only once. A BDRE is the rewritable format of Blu-ray. BDREs can be erased and recorded multiple times. Ultra HD Blu-ray format uses 4K Blu-ray discs that support a 3840 by 2160 resolution, video with frame rates up to 60 frames per second, and object-based immersive sound. This means better video and better audio. Also, Ultra HD Blu-ray players are backwards compatible and can play all formats of Blu-ray discs. The Ultra HD disc with the digital bridge feature will allow you to copy Ultra HD Blu-ray content to an external hard disk drive and to portable devices like smartphones and tablets. The 4K Blu-ray specifications allows for 3 capacity sizes, each with their own data rate. The disk capacities are 50 gigabytes with 82 megabits per second, 66 gigabytes with 108 megabits per second, and 100 gigabytes with 128 megabits per second. Just like CD and DVD drives, Blu-ray drives are rated according to the drive's speed. A 1X Blu-ray drive reads information at 4.5 megabytes per second. Remember that we're dealing with a capital B here, indicating bytes instead of bits. For true high-definition video, we need to have a 2X Blu-ray drive which transfers information at 9 megabytes per second. The current practical maximum speed for Blu-ray discs is about 12x. Higher speeds of rotation cause too much wobble for the disc to be written to properly. A Blu-ray drive functions very much the same as a CD drive and a DVD drive. However, there is one very important difference: the color of the laser used to read information from the disc. CD and DVD drives use a red laser. You can think of the red laser looking something like this. That's your laser beam. However, a Blu-ray uses a blue laser. The key difference is that the red laser, as you can see here, has a relatively long wavelength, and the blue laser has a very tight wavelength. When we say wavelength, we're talking about the distance from peak to peak in the waveform of the light beam itself. Because the Blu-ray drive uses a blue laser, which has a much shorter wavelength as compared to the red laser used with CDs and DVDs, we can pack more information on the same disc. This works well if the disc in here is a Blu-ray disc. We'll draw this with blue to depict a Blu-ray disc. But what happens if you put a DVD in the Blu-ray drive? We'd have a problem if we only had this blue laser, because the blue laser would not be able to read the information on the bottom of the CD or DVD. Most Blu-ray drives have a second read head that uses a red laser. So if we have a traditional DVD or CD, we can use the red laser with the longer wavelength to read information from the bottom of the traditional CD or DVD disc using the Blu-ray drive. Now, let's review what we've discussed in this video. We've talked about what Blu-ray is, how it works, and which formats are available.